Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping quickly. Detangle and decide ponytail height so your movements are efficient. Once you've chosen a sturdy clip and an elastic, create a loose hold with the elastic about 1 to 2 inches from the scalp where you want the base. Make sure the clip is open and ready. This prevents fumbling. You'll feel the advantage of working with smooth hair. It makes clipping easier and prevents slips. Move now to gather hair into the base, keeping tension steady. You gather the hair into the chosen position, holding it taut with one hand while you wrap the elastic with the other. 1 to 2 wraps usually give a secure base without denting hair. Once the elastic is set, open the clip fully and position its teeth so they straddle the elastic and hair bulk evenly. Make sure the clip's hinge sits flat against your head for comfort. Close the clip decisively. You should hear or feel it click. This seals the hold and stabilizes the ponytail. You finish by smoothing edges and testing movement. Make small adjustments until the ponytail feels balanced. If the clip slips when you move, reposition it a ½ inch higher and resecure. This changes the angle and often stops sliding. For stubborn cases, add a second elastic below the clip or switch to a larger claw so weight spreads across more teeth. Make sure to check comfort. If you feel pulling, loosen the elastic a bit. That's it. Simple, adjustable, and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.